Think Dollar Tree is just for party favors and cleaning supplies? Well, think again, my friend, because today I'm showing you how to turn the most unexpected Dollar Tree finds into gorgeous, budget-friendly DIY home decor that'll have your guests saying, "Wait, you made that?" I'm sure you've seen these trays at Dollar Tree. They usually have them in either gold or silver like this one. Well, I'm going to show you how you can elevate this and make it look really nice and fancy for your bathroom. For this project, you're going to need some gemstones. I'll be using these from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off by spray painting my tray in the color Sand Dollar. I'll be giving it 2 coats of paint, in between letting each coat dry. Now that the paint has dried, I'm going to hot glue the gemstones directly on the center portion of the tray. I'll just be setting the gemstones side by side each other, making sure I cover the entire center of the tray. And here I'm just showing you the first 2 rows that I made, and here it is finished. Although I'm done with the tray, I'm not done with the whole project because I'm going to add a few more items to complete the whole tray setup. One of the items I'll be adding to the tray is this toothbrush ceramic holder. I'll be jazzing it up by adding some gemstones to it so it'll match to my tray. For the toothbrush holder, I'm going to add these stones. To attach the stones, I'll be using super glue and hot glue. Super glue is for permanent hold and hot glue is for fast hold. Now for this, I will be creating a pyramid form, starting with 3 stones on the bottom and then stacking 2 stones and then 1 at the top. And this is how it turned out. I will repeat the same steps all around the ceramic. I wanted a white ceramic soap dispenser, but they only had gray and blue. So I brought home the gray one and spray painted it with the same color Sand Dollar as my tray. I'm gonna let this dry for a day before I put the pump back on. I also picked up a ceramic soap dish. I had an idea for this dish and it wasn't to put a bar of soap on it. To match my tray, I repeated the same steps as my tray. I added the gemstones to the center. Now one last item that I wanted to sit next to my bathroom tray is a small basket with some washcloths. These can come in real handy next to your bathroom sink. And here you have it, a gorgeous budget-friendly bathroom decor. I didn't have enough gems for the soap dispenser, however I will be adding them soon. The soap dish turned out great to hold my jewelry when I wash my hands. Let me know what you think of this project and is there anything you would do different? Have you seen these fluorescent punch bowls at Dollar Tree? Well, I have an amazing outdoor hacks to show you using them. For this project, I'll be using 1 bowl and 1 solar light. I'm going to start by painting white dots on the inside of the bowl. To create the dots, I'll be using the end of a round sponge paint roll. If you're wondering why is she doing that, well, this is going to be the top of a mushroom. Since this is going to be an outdoor decor, I don't want the weather to wash off the dots. And now that I added all the dots I wanted, I'm going to let the paint dry. Now I'm going to glue the top portion of the solar light only to the inside center of my bowl by using super glue and hot glue. I'm just going to apply the glue on the sides of the solar panel just as I'm showing you. For the stand to my lamp, I'm using a Dollar Tree jar. This one is the taller jar they carry. I'm simply going to apply hot glue to the top rim of the jar and then placing my bowl over it. And here you have a nice outdoor lamp without the use of electricity. You can set it outside on your patio for some soft lighting. Adding a couple more would just make it prettier. Let me know what you think of this project. Now for this DIY, I'm going to use 2 of these green fluorescent punch bowls. They are just so glowy just by themselves. I'm going to create a glow ball for my garden. I'm going to start by using the top portion of the solar light only. Once again, I'll be adding super glue and hot glue to the sides of the solar panel. Then I'm gonna place the light in the center of the bowl. Next, I'm gonna attach the other bowl to the bowl with the light by adding a bead of super glue and hot glue to the rim of the bowl. I'm just gonna make sure that I align both bowls together. And just like that, I have this pretty glow ball for my garden. Let me know what you think of this DIY. This DIY is going to be so stupid easy. All you're going to do is add super glue to the side panels of the solar light. And then you're going to place the solar light to the inside of your bowl. Give it a few hours for the glue to harden. And now I have a colorful lighted lamp for my garden and also my pathway. I placed the lamp right by my Texas shaped stepping stone, and I love how it looks and how it lighted it up. Let me know what you think about this DIY. In the party section, they have these balloon hoop kits. I grabbed 2 because I have an idea on how to convert these into beautiful home decor. Let me show you. The kit comes with 4 straw-like tubes, 1 base, and some link attachments. I'm gonna start by attaching 2 tubes with 1 link attachment. And here I'm just pointing to the center, and now I have this 1 long tube. And now I'm going to add some hot glue to the center of the base and place the long tube on it with the center portion on the base. And this is what it looks like. Now this is going to be a wall decor, so I'm going to flip it over to the back and create a hole with the tip of my glue gun. The hole is going to serve as a hanger so that I can hang it on a wall. I created another one, and now I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it with this black spray paint. Once the paint dried, this is how it turned out. When I flip it over to the back, you can see the hole for my hanger. This long stem hanging floral is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to simply insert the stem into the top end of the tube and let the floral hang. I'll repeat the same step to the other one. Let me know what you think of this budget-friendly home decor. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope that you have a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.